National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Fulton County, Indiana, southern Kosciuszko County, Indiana, northern Wabash County, Indiana, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Mentone and moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. The severe thunderstorm will be near North Manchester around 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the warning include Silver Lake, Claypool, Packerton, Sydney, and Liberty Mills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Fulton, Kosciuszko, and Wabash.